Welcome back to my channel. Nandito po ako ngayon sa Bel Air Residence. Ang address po nito ay Felix Avenue, Cainta, Rizal. Ito po ay condominium unit yung pinagbibinta ko, tapos yung tower niya hanggang 4 building siya. Ito po yung swimming pool niya, oh, yan. Ito po yung swimming pool. Ito sa likod natin swimming pool yan. Bali yung available po dito sa Bel Air hanggang 4 tower nga po ito, upper and ground. Yung available, yung price nya 103,200 pesos. Yung second floor 103,760 pesos. Yung fourth floor yung third floor 104,320 pesos. Yung fourth floor 104,880 pesos. Yung 6th floor 105,440 pesos. Parking 1,100,000 parking. Bali ito po yung building facilities nya. Yung facilities, 2 elevator, 2 service stairs, centralized garbage truck, drying area, fire protection system. Yung amenities po nito ay mayroong clubhouse, multiple purpose hall, mayroon siyang function rooms, office and kitchen, swimming pools. Ito nga po yung swimming pool, children's playground, tapos bath house, meron siyang basketball court. Then yung utility service ng pundo na to, entrance gate and guard house, 24 hours mayroong guard house, mayroong CCTV cameras, mayroon siyang sewage treatment plant, meron siyang well landscape, open space, perimeter fence, wifi zone. Yan po. Kung gusto po ninyong bumili or mag-inquire, nasa taas po ng videos na ito yung complete details. Meron po ako dyan na contact information, meron po ako dyan Viber, meron po ako dyan na WhatsApp. Ang company ko nga po, Migais Properties Incorporated and Santa Lucia Land Developer Incorporated. Thank you for watching. Bili na kayo hanggat maaga pa, kasi kada buwan nagmamahal ito.